Greetings, I'm Solla, Pizzuto, Global Wellness Educator, Universal Healing Tao Instructor, and we're here in Los Angeles with Master Mantak Chia's courses on Healing Love, Universal Healing Tao Basic Course, and also Cosmic Healing. So I'm here with
Jonathan.
Emma. Emma. Hi. And so now you guys have come here as a couple, and I'm so curious how you felt taking in all of this information and knowledge and teachings as a couple.
Well, I mean, I'm thrilled because all of this is very practical, and that's what really, has been changing, life-changing, I think. It's not just the beginning, but I already know that it's our, personal life is going to be changed for the better. And yeah, I'm so grateful to Master Mantak Chia.
If there was one aspect of your learning from these 3 courses here in LA, which one would you say that made the most impact? Like which one was like, oh my gosh, this is what I needed?
Simply, honestly, the inner smile, the 6 healing sounds, and all the physical exercises, the
Qi Gong,
yes,
the movements.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Okay.
Because you feel it and you see it.
Yeah, you can feel it.
Yeah,
in your body.
And I can actually, I've begun to see the colors. So it's really great.
That's fantastic. And then Emma?
Yeah, I mean, I'm so looking forward to see where our relationship goes now that we've discovered these healing practices. Gosh, all the workshops have been life-changing already for me, I feel, which I could even bring me to tears just talking about it. Yeah, because I mean, we've sought more normal therapy, and young couple in LA, it's not always easy, and this therapy, just feels so natural, so true, so real, and just something that I can trust and know that works for me, and that's just really exciting. Yeah.
And so I must ask you, as a couple, the healing love, the universal healing love segment, what did you think going into that?
Well, I mean, I didn't know what to expect, and I really looked forward, to, again, all the physical practices to do with your beloved, and it's next level. I mean, it's just, it's unbelievable.
I'll just say one thing about the healing love. I was wishing that I had been taught in every school in America to every little boy and girl, because it seems to be such powerful stuff, and the way sexual love should be for everyone. I was really surprised to find out that 85% of women never experience the 3rd gate of healing love that we talk about, called the uterus orgasm, and it was shocking to me, really, that 85% of women in the world don't get to experience that kind of healing power. So I can't wait to explore that, and yeah, I'm just very grateful for everything.
And then what would be one word to describe the feeling that mutually that you have regarding the potential of this practice, of that healing love? Let's pick that healing love portion.
One word.
One word.
Boundless.
That's a great one. Just heart-opening and expanding, and just incredibly healing and powerful. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.